Here's the story, A Fair Solution. First, listen to the audio as the lines appear. Then, read along as the words turn bold. You'll also see vocabulary words with meanings. Practice the highlighted dialogue lines to improve communication. At the end, try the MCQs to check your understanding. Now enjoy the story.
One day, a poor man walked by an expensive, elegant restaurant. He smelled the delicious food. The man was hungry and exhausted. He sat down outside the restaurant and took out a piece of dry bread. If I smell these wonderful aromas while I eat my bread, I can pretend that I am enjoying a grand feast, he thought. The man closed his eyes and imagined a delicious meal of fish, vegetables, fruit, and cakes. Suddenly, the wealthy restaurant owner came outside and yelled at the poor man, "Stop! You're enjoying the smell of my delicious food. You must pay me for that." "But I'm only enjoying the smell in the air. I haven't eaten any of your food," said the poor man, calmly. "Those smells are mine. They come from my delicious food. Pay me the money," demanded the rich man. "No," said the poor man. "That's not fair. I won't pay you." "Then we will go to the judge," said the rich man. "He will make you pay." The judge of the town was Nasruddin. He was clever and wise. "Tell me the problem," Nasruddin said to the rich man. The rich man pointed to the poor man. "This man sat outside my restaurant and enjoyed the smell of my delicious food. The food belongs to me, and so does the smell of the food. I want this man to pay for enjoying those wonderful smells," said the rich man. Is it true that you enjoyed the smell of this man's delicious food? Nasruddin asked the poor man. Yes, it's true, said the poor man honestly. Give me your money then, said Nasruddin. Sadly, the poor man gave Nasruddin a small bag of coins. I haven't got much money. This is all I have, said the poor man. Nasruddin took the bag of coins and held it next to the rich man's ear. He shook the bag so the coins jingled.
Can you hear the sound of this money? Nasruddin asked the rich man. Of course, said the rich man. Good, said Nasruddin. That is your payment. This poor man enjoyed the smell of your food. Now you have enjoyed the sound of his money. That is a fair solution. Nasruddin handed the bag of coins back to the poor man. You are free to go now, Nasruddin said. The problem has been solved. Thank you, said the poor man gratefully. You're welcome, replied Nasruddin, smiling wisely.